So here we have a page about writing the equation of a line, which is a tangent to a circle, and normal line, which is about the circle. So from this page, I'm going to solve this question. So when you have a circle, let's say here we have the point P. From this point, we can express two spatial lines, which is the tangent line, just touching to this point. Also the normal line, which is the line which goes through the center and which is exactly straight to the tangent line. Tangent, normal. So since they are like straight to each other 90 degree, the slope of them, tangent and normal line, their product will be equal to -1. So to be able to find a slope, we need 2 points, which is the P point already given. We should find the C point, which is the center of the circle. From here, it will be minus A in here, since it is 1, so A should be -1. Minus times -1. There will be minus B in here, so B is equal directly to 2. So -1 and 2, the C point, XY numbers, -1 and 2. Firstly, I will find the slope of the normal line, which is difference of Y numbers, 3 minus 2, and difference of X numbers, 1 minus -1. So that makes 1 over 2. Then put the slope of the normal line in here, 1 over 2, insert over there, times slope of the tangent should be equal to -1, product of them. So slope of the tangent should be inverse of 1 over 2, which is 2 over 1. You flip it, and to get -1, it should be negative. Once you have the slope of each line, you can start writing the equation of lines. Firstly, let's write the equation of the tangent line. So for tangent, here you go. We are using the form y equals mx plus n. Since we know the slope of the tangent line, slope of the tangent or normal line, is for tangent, yes, slope of the tangent line is -2. Y is equal to -2x plus n. Right now we have one unknown. That's why we are using a point which is already on the tangent line. On the tangent line, we have only one point, which is a P that we know. We use point P, 1 and 3. These are X and Y numbers. When you insert them back in original equation, it should be exactly equal. So for n, we are using this for n. Instead of X, you will replace 1. Instead of Y, you will replace 3. And in here, you will get the value of n. It will be -2, move it other side, +2, 3 plus 2 makes 5, so n equals 5. After you also find n, you can write the final equation, -2x mx plus n, which is +5. You have the equation of the tangent line. Now let's write equation of the normal line. Normal, which is this one. We will again use the form mx plus n. So we know the slope that we have found, 1 over 2x plus n. We should use a point in here. So if I use the point P, X and Y number, X number is -+1. So let's use the same point. It doesn't matter. On this line, we know 2 points. You can use any one of them. So let's use the same point P, 1 and 3, because the point center point has a negative number for X. It is better to use when they are both positive. We are using this to get n, to find for what n is for X and for Y. We will replace them. Y number is 3. X number is 1. 1 over 2 times 1 plus n. 1 over 2 will move other side. It will be 3 minus 1 over 2 n. So you can write 3 over 1 n times 2. If I do the calculations quicker, 2 times 3 will be 6. 2 times 1, 2, 6 over 2. So 6 minus 1, which is going to be 5 over 2 equals n. So after you find n, you can write the equation y equals 1 over 2 mx. M is 1 over 2x plus n is 5 over 2. And you have the equation of the normal line.